Building meaningful connections, especially with those who may be shy or introverted, can be a delicate and rewarding endeavor. The ping-pong method is a simple yet effective technique that can help you establish rapport, foster natural conversations, and create a sense of comfort and ease in your interactions. Understanding the ping-pong analogy. Imagine a game of ping-pong where the conversation flows back and forth like a well-played rally. One person initiates the conversation by asking a question, and the other person responds. Instead of immediately firing back another question, the conversation takes a deeper dive, allowing both parties to contribute their thoughts and experiences. Putting the ping-pong method into practice. To implement the ping-pong method, start by asking a thoughtful question. Once the other person has responded, instead of immediately jumping to the next question, allow the conversation to unfold naturally. This may involve asking follow-up questions, sharing your own thoughts and experiences, or simply making observations about the topic at hand. Key considerations for mindful execution. The ping-pong method is more than just a series of questions and answers. It requires a mindful approach. Avoid relying on a rigid list of questions without adding your own personal commentary, as this can make the conversation feel forced or unnatural. The goal is to engage in a genuine and reciprocal exchange of thoughts and ideas. Benefits of the ping-pong method. The ping-pong method offers several benefits for building meaningful connections. Fosters a natural flow of conversation. By taking cues from the other person's responses, you allow the conversation to progress organically, rather than feeling like an interrogation. Creates a sense of comfort and ease. The back-and-forth rhythm of the ping-pong method can help both parties relax and feel more at ease, especially for those who may be shy or introverted. Deepens understanding and connection. By actively engaging in the conversation and sharing your own thoughts and experiences, you can build a deeper level of understanding and connection with the other person. Effective implementation. Example, demonstrating attentiveness and common ground. To illustrate the ping-pong method in action, consider a scenario where you ask someone about their occupation. If they respond, "I work as a bartender at Highland," an effective approach would be to acknowledge their response and connect with it before moving on. For instance, you could say, "I'm a barista and I love Highland. You guys make the best cocktails. What's your favorite drink on the menu?" This response demonstrates attentiveness to their answer and establishes a common ground of interest in Highland. It also creates an opening for further conversation about their experiences as a bartender at Highland. Sustaining a single topic, a demonstration of active listening. The ping-pong method, when skillfully applied, can sustain a conversation on a single topic for an extended period. This is particularly true when the participants engage in active listening, showing genuine interest in the topic and asking insightful questions. For example, if the conversation is about pets, one person might ask about the other person's pet's breed, age, or personality traits. The other person could then elaborate on their pet's quirks, habits, or funny anecdotes. This back-and-forth exchange demonstrates active listening and can keep the conversation flowing naturally. Personal experience. Unveiling a hidden passion through the ping-pong method. A personal anecdote further highlights the effectiveness of the ping-pong method. During a family gathering, Uncle John, typically known for his reserved nature, unexpectedly opened up about his adopted cats. By asking thoughtful questions and showing genuine interest, the conversation effortlessly transitioned from a superficial exchange to a revealing discussion about Uncle John's deep affection for his feline companions. This experience illustrates how the ping-pong method can break down barriers and foster meaningful connections, even with individuals who may initially appear introverted or reserved. Embracing rewarding conversations. In essence, the ping-pong method is a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing conversations and fostering deeper connections. By incorporating humor, maintaining natural eye contact, and exuding confident body language, individuals can elevate their conversational skills and unlock rewarding interactions with others. So, gear up for your next metaphorical game of ping pong and relish the enriching conversations that await. Remember, the ping pong method is not about winning or losing, it's about creating meaningful connections and enjoying the journey of conversation.